This is the very first look of Windows 10. Windows 10 is the latest edition of Windows added in the world's most popular PC operating system lineup. 300 million devices are upgraded to Windows 10 in less than a year, which is the fastest start in any version of Windows history. Windows 10 introduced a brand new visual design with flat icons and monochromatic color scheme. Windows 10 setting apps, Cortana, your digital personal assistant, notification button, which is called Action Center, new web browser Microsoft Edge. All these new features are major addition in Windows 10. And the good news is, Start button is back into the action. This system is just upgraded from previous version of Windows to Windows 10. Now you need to customize your new operating system according to your needs. Windows 10 is really fast, fluid and managed operating system that Microsoft ever built. I am sure you are going to love it.